Today I am having threads put in. I would like a little more tightness in my face and definition, and also to address my nasolabial folds. And I'm having filler and mesh put in here as well, and then fillers to my lips.
So the combination we're going to do today is using both fillers and threads to lift this area and then volumize all around. This is going to make her mouth look better, under eyes and cheek, and it's going to overall give her volume and improvement in laxity, building collagen over time with the threads, and volumizing and shaping the lower face is going to make her look so much better for this weekend. So we're going to use our filler in the folds, and this is a traditional approach, but one of the things I want to do for her is go down to the piriform and get a nice lift in the lip. This is actually going to help us not only improve the fold, but also give support to the under eye and the upper lip by going into that piriform area. Her lips are a little bit more challenging because they're smaller and they're shorter, so we have to be really careful about doing too much. So my idea for her is really more outlining. I just want to get some shaping and some plumping with some outlining. So we're using Glabella here, which lasts a really good amount of time, but also allows me with a very small amount of material to get a little bit more outlining, a little more shaping. We're just gonna enhance the cheeks and maybe a little dab to the chin to get that overall heart-shaped look. Remember, girls love when they get that cheek pop, and obviously when they wear makeup, the height of the cheek is the most important. But if we don't wear a lot of makeup, let's get it to pop with the filler. Now we're gonna tighten the face and we're gonna lift it and sculpt it using PDO threads. Come take a look. So we're gonna mark first, starting in the middle, because we really wanna get a high degree of tightening. And this is gonna allow us to lift the entire mid-face and define the cheekbone and jowl area. Second place is we wanna tighten that neck. All our women want a snatched neck. So getting that defined is really gonna give her a really amazing jawline contour. So now we're also gonna mark our reverse vectors, and these are really important because these secure this in place. You can see when I just press and pull in this area, lifting this direction can hold, but then this secures it even deeper. Look up here. When you pull, all the way down here improves. So we're gonna reverse vector and forward vector to get the best results. Okay, we're now creating our vectors using our numbing technique. This is gonna improve her folds by inserting threads around the mouth. It's also going to lift the corners of the mouth and the jowls because we're going all the way from one spot down to the lower part of her face. Now we want to get tightening and lifting. And you could do these same treatments on the same day. Look at, I'm using our PDO Max threads. I've inserted our threads exactly where we want them to go. The cool thing about these is you can literally watch them go in exactly where you want them, place them strategically so we can get that lift, and we're going to use a vertical vector technique today. We are not only going to lift anteriorly, we're also going to go all the way up into the temple, and we're going to lift posteriorly. This is going to give us a bigger result and much more improved outcome. We're literally hitting the entire mid-face from one insertion point. You see again, securing it in place, watching it come out, and watching it rise. You guys can see that. Look at that right there. Amazing. But here you guys can see we're securing that even more. Look at that, by doing that reverse hold. And now we're really going to secure the neck. So hold the phone, remember, hold the phone.
Oh my gosh.
Bring it in so you can show everyone. Keep your chin up, chin up. Come on, like this. There you go. Show them everything. Look at the neck. Look at the folds, look at the cheeks. What do you think? Look at that sculpt.
So happy. It looks.
She can barely talk. Yeah, no, I know. I would hold
fucking
on.
amazing. I'm hot, Doc.
Yeah, she is.
It went very well. I couldn't feel any pain. I mean, I could feel the pressure and I could hear it, but no pain. I'm very happy with the results. My nasolabial folds are gone. I have much more definition in my face, and I feel like my face looks like I have contour makeup on it already, and I don't. And also my eyes, as I've gotten older, my eyelids have started to droop, and it opened my eyes more, so my eyes are even bigger now. Hi, so I am very, very happy with my results. I have significant decrease in the swelling and the bruising here, and my nasolabial folds are gone. Everything is much more proportional and smooth, and for the past 3 days, every day, sometimes multiple times per day, people are telling me how good I look, and they can't really identify what's different, but they're just telling me that I look really good.